guys, this is Jolie Bode. I'm back here with another video. Thank you so much for watching my video. All you guys that have been watching my video, comment down below. I special thank you to you guys. And if you are new here, you're watching my video, thank you and welcome to the crew. Today I'll be making a green juice. I want you guys subscribe to my channel, share this video, and also comment down below. Let me know what to make next. And so with this, right now I'll be showing you guys what I'm gonna be using for this green juice. Okay, so now I'll be using kale. This is not kale. I'll be using celery. Okay, this is celery. I have 2 stalks of celery. I might use both, I don't know yet, but for now I know I'm gonna be using celery. Next thing I'll be using for my juice today, guys, is green chard. Yeah, I'll be using. I have, next thing I'm gonna be using is kale. I got kale. Put everything here. Next thing I'll be using, guys, is dandelion greens. So this is very good for our body. I love dandelion. I used dandelion in the past before. If you guys interested where to get this, because I know you cannot find this in all the supermarket like Walmart or Publix, you won't find this. I got this from Whole Food Market. Okay. Next thing I'll be using is cucumber. I'll go down the list. And I'll also be using green apple. I have 4 green apple I'll be using. And next thing I'll be using is pineapples to make the juice sweet a little bit for us. I'll also be using turmeric. Very good for your body. I love turmeric. And ginger. I want to like give it more flavor, spice it up a little bit. This is wonderful for you guys. Right? So that's it. So I'm just gonna get things ready and come back and show you guys when I'm making the juice. Okay, so I'll be washing all my stuff and cut it up, and then next thing you guys gonna see me making the juice. All right, guys. everything is ready for this juice right now. So before I start making this juice, I want to tell you guys, please, I will encourage you guys to please make this juice with me and try it, because with all this virus that's going on, that is spreading very fast right now, so I will encourage you guys to please make it with me so you can boost your immune system up, so to prevent to boost your immune system to prevent from getting this virus. Because if your immune system is high, so your body will fight any flu symptoms or any virus that's going on. So this is why I'm making this juice. And one more thing I forgot to say, one more thing, this is just gonna be a lot of juice, so you guys don't have to make this juice this amount, so you guys can cut it down in the amount of stuff. And this is the dandelion and then celery. I'm gonna be making two different green juice, just because I used dandelion in the past. It is very bitter, so since this is gonna be a lot of juice, so I wanted to make a separate juice with the dandelion that's gonna, at least I'm gonna be drinking it for the next 2 days. It's fine. So but I'm gonna be using pretty much the same ingredient. I'm gonna be using dandelion, celery, and pineapple and ginger, so that would be fine for me. I don't mind. It's gonna be sweet, a little bit bitter. If you're not used to dandelion, I will consider you guys, please try it so you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'll be making my juice right now, okay? Enough talking. I talk way too much. So let me turn on my juicer. Okay. Okay guys, I am back again. I am done making the first part of the juice. As you guys can see, I still have the other part that I told you guys I was gonna separate it. I still have the other part I haven't done yet. But for the first one, I have it, and I have 3 of this. This is about 900 ml. I have 3. I have 3/4 of juice. It's almost a gallon. So this is how I'm gonna store my juice for the week. So I'm just gonna pour it here. I'll also be trying the juice to let you guys know exactly how it tastes. If I like it, it's gonna be honest opinion, okay? So I'm pouring my juice here. This juice smells so good, and it looks good too. Oh. Here. Very soon I'll be having juice for sale, guys. So still have more. Maybe I should add more. Okay, I'll be trying the juice now, guys. You know how it tastes. If you want to, you can add a little bit of ice, but I don't mind drinking it like that. So I like it. This tastes so good. I like the ginger. There's a little bit of spice to it, not very strong. So if you're the type of person that don't like spicy, or you don't like ginger, it's not that strong at all. With all this green, so I know it's not that strong, but you can still taste the little kick of it. So it's sweet, a little spice to it. If you guys want, you can add a little bit of lemon. I probably would, not now, but I like the taste. It tastes very good. I'm gonna finish like this right now. You guys, I just finished the whole thing. This is how good this just was. I drank a whole 12 ounces of it. So there you guys, I just finished the other juice. The one I told you guys was gonna make it with the dandelion. So I just finished it, and I'm gonna pour it and try it to let you guys know exactly how it tastes. I'm gonna turn off my machine so here we get good. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it. It's good. As I told you guys already, it was a little bit bitter. It is a little bit bitter, but I love dandelion, and dandelion is very good for you. With the pineapple, it's sweet and bitter taste a little bit, but at the end of the day, it tastes well good. You are able to drink this too. So good. Okay guys, I am done juicing, making this green juice. I really encourage you guys to please make this juice at home for yourself. It's very good for you. Thank you so much if you make it this far to this video. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Please share this video, subscribe to my channel, and like and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.